Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a rooster. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and it does show both sides of the paper, so you can use one that has a color on each side. I'm going to use one that's red on one side and white on the other. And the colored side is going to form the beak over here. Now we're going to start with that colored side up. Then we will valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring the top right corner down to meet the bottom left corner. Just line both those corners up there and then crease all the way across. And then unfold. Next I'm going to fold in half along the other diagonal, so I'll bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. Then we'll crease that one. Next I'm going to rotate so that it looks like this. Next we're going to fold this point down to the bottom and just make a small pinch mark just to mark the center here. So line that up at the bottom and then just do a really small pinch. Next we'll fold the tip down to that pinch mark and then crease that all the way across. Next we'll turn the model over right to left. We're going to fold this point down just as much. We don't need to make that pinch mark this time. We can just fold it down and line it up with the crease that's behind it. Like this. Next we're going to fold this point back up. And this one's done to taste, but we'll fold it about this much. Next we're going to fold the whole model in half along this crease line here. So I'm going to bring this left point all the way over. It should line up with that right point. We're just going to do that on the existing crease line that we had. Next we're going to fold this point over to make the wings just with this top flap. This one's done to taste, but we'll fold it about to right here. And then you can crease that down. And then we'll turn the model over and repeat that step on this side. Swinging it out to line up with the flap underneath and then crease that. Next I'll rotate the model. Now for the next step, we're going to take this colored section right here, and we're going to take our fingers and pull it upwards. I'll do this really slowly so you can see what happens. Just pulling that up here. And then we're going to make a new crease that runs from this point all the way down to this point. So we'll just pull that out and then we'll crease it down all the way across on both sides. Should look the same on the back side as well. And then we're all done. That's our rooster. It should stand up just fine. I hope hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for all the future tutorials. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.